Mukanya Chiwenga, reflection is not weakness. It is a defining strength of leadership. Nations move forward when leaders confront their past with honesty, not when they avoid it. Sarabina masho kubleto kwa pagona hapa na kitra mchati. Aiwa akanaka kuna vipi kwa sano Chiwenga ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Zara na samba nyuna chiti. You played a central role in the events of the 2017. That moment reshaped Zimbabwe's political trajectory and raised expectations among citizens who believed it would lead to accountability, renewal, and genuine transformation. For the nation, those expectations remain unmet. An acknowledgement of that role, openly and without deflection, would not diminish your standing. It would strengthen it. Leadership is not only about decisive action in moments of change, but also about accountability in the years that follow. An apology to the people of Zimbabwe for the outcomes that followed 2017 would demonstrate responsibility and respect for the citizens whose lives continue to be shaped by those decisions. History does not only remember who acted it remembers who reflected, who took responsibility, and who chose to place the nation above personal or political considerations. Doma shwanaita kwa pangwa inoi wano wachiti kuna vipi kosa no Chiwenga tirikuziva kuti aiwa vipi kosa no Chiwenga is worried about what is happening right now in Zimbabwe. But at this moment people they are thinking vipi kosa no Chiwenga near the work he did in the 2017 transition. Pangwa ine wachiti aiwa history will never forget you. Pangwa inoi, as we see, the country is also stuck. Panao zirikuonekwa zima constitutional amendments na all the succession. VP Kosono Chiwenga is now being remembered by the history, recalling him again. Mbodi zema fungira enyi mori kudipa msulu mashuka toka na kirana mjati. Kena comment section medu. Usawa na subscribe or like. Pamoja na mtu on the bell.